Welcome to the Tooth. It's called the Tooth.
This is home.
You're cold? You in the sun?
I'm hot.
This is the game we went to last year with Alex and Brian.
Right. After they did their family tour.
Yeah. You gonna play baseball?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna play softball? This is where they warm up. Hey Henry, here's the bullpen over here. This is where the players warm up. Pitches.
Here, Henry, stand up in this chair. I'm gonna get a good picture of you guys.
I'm hot.
Say cheese.
Cheese, everybody.
Cheese, everybody. Dance. Charlotte. Charlotte, dance. Charlotte, dance. Oh yeah, dance. Henry, can you dance? Woohoo!
Across the region. Check out their portfolio for more information on projects completed by visiting www.marketsquarearchitects.com. Hey fans, go visit the Dartmouth Health Children's Autograph areas before today's game.
Oh! That's your favorite color.
Round one goes to Rowdy. He's fired up. He's fired up. Let's go round 2. 3, 2, 1, go!
One, take that. Yeah!
Oh, and Bubba.
Yeah! Blue. I'm testing it.
It comes down to the wire, fans. Let's hear it for him. All right, contestants. 3, 2, 1, go!
Charlotte, get loud! Charlotte, take it out, scream, go, ah! Ah! Charlotte, go like this, watch that, go like this. Fist pump.
Now batting for your cat.
All right, we'll get back up.
Shortstop, Josh Tasselman.
pause one more time, okay? How are you doing, my friend? High five. Knuckles? It's okay. I do have germs, so